Another question I asked was, could I make a knot with my fingers? Now you can make a circle, that's easy. And well, if you go like this, you make a figure 8, but that's really just a circle. What I wondered is, oh, here's 2 linked rings. Could I make, using just these fingers, make a loop that was knotted? So I couldn't take it apart, untie it without taking my hands apart. Put your right index finger on it, and now you rest this thumb from the back here, and this forms a loop. You put your other index finger through the loop and connect on the other side. Not everybody's fingers are long enough for this to work very easily, but I can just barely reach around there. And that makes an overhand knot. You can also make it the other way. And if you take one apart and recombine it, it looks like this.
What kind of a knot is that?
This is an overhand knot. This is a trefoil knot. This is the simplest sort of knot you can make. So the next more complicated knot is the figure 8 knot, and you can't do that with your fingers, or at least not with my fingers. Another one was a Mobius strip. You can't make a very good one. You know, this is a circle as if you took a piece of paper and joined it to itself. Now a Mobius strip is you give it a half twist first. So if you take your hand and go like this, you make kind of a Mobius strip. Okay, so I started experimenting with different things I could do. Here's, folding your hands. Well, one question is, can you do the mirror image? Sure. Fold your hands the other way. But you can keep going. So you say, well, what if you shift it over more or more? Another question I looked at was, well, let's see. If I put my fingers together like this, I get, well, it kind of looks like a polyhedron. It's not exactly, but how many orders are there that I could put my fingers together? Well, it turns out there's 6, three things. There's 6 different orders for putting them together. So I started wondering, could I go through all 6 combinations by doing this, taking 2 fingers and putting them together and bringing them apart the other way?